The Search and Replace panel lightens a Cognos administrator's workload in a variety of ways, such as editing text or editing embedded SQL statements. I'm going to focus on just one use case so that you can best understand how the Search and Replace panel works for you. Imagine that you're a Cognos administrator. You're in charge of maintaining the validity of your reports. A change has been made in your model, and now the data item previously known as tier has been changed to product line. All report specifications containing a reference to tier are no longer valid. They need to be updated to reference product line. You can fix all these broken reports using the Search and Replace panel. So let's see how it's done. First thing when using the Search and Replace panel is to specify which reports to search for. In this case, all reports need to be updated. So select Team Content and My Content. This will search both public content and all users' private content. For applicable types, reports are already selected, so no change is needed here. Once MotioPI has been told where to search, search terms need to be provided for MotioPI to match against the specification. To ensure MotioPI does not match on any other data items, it is best to specify the full name of the data item. So enter sales query, products, tier has the search term, and sales query, products, product line has the replace term. Double check the terms to make sure they are entered correctly and press search. MotioPI will search the content store for reports that contain the tier data item and add them to the results table below. Depending on the size of the content store, it may take several minutes for MotioPI to perform a full search. The results table lists all the reports containing a match and, once a report is selected, displays all individual matches in that specific report. You can select an individual match, all matches in a report, or all matches in all reports. Once all appropriate matches have been selected, press the Preview button to review the selected changes one final time. In the Preview dialog, MotioPI will validate the altered specifications and display any warnings or error messages associated with that validation. Review the reports that display errors or warnings. In this case, the warning messages are unrelated to our changes, so we can continue. Press the Replace button to update all selected specifications, and MotioPI will update each selected report with the new data item. Remember, this is just one example of how MotioPI and the Search and Replace panel can help Cognos administrators do their job more efficiently. The Search and Replace panel can update text or embedded SQL just as easily as the data item. Whenever you need to alter the specifications of many reports, turn to MotioPI and the Search and Replace panel.